Students, we are on chapter number 3, Media and Respect, and we are doing the exercise. Let's move to our next question. Let's see what is the question. Put these words in the relevant column to identify the parts of speech these words belongs to. Students, we have number of words in 3 columns and we have to identify which part of speech these words belongs to. So down there we have noun column, adjective column and adverb column. The first word is media. Definitely it's a name, that's why we will put it into media column. Then we have audience, again it's a noun. Means, again it's a noun. Then we have eagerly, it's a ly word, that means it is somehow describing about a verb, that something has done eagerly. So that thing will describe a verb that eventually comes under the column of adverb. Then we have global, global is an adjective. Then we have corrective, corrective is also an adjective. Then we have communication, communication is a noun, information is as well a noun, impact is a noun as well. Constructive, constructive is adjective. And then we have false, false is an adjective also. Then we have loudly, loudly adverb. Students, I hope you understand this discrimination of different words into 3 different parts of speech, that is noun, adverb and adjective. I hope you understand this exercise. Let's move to the next exercise.